I am sorry, Pharaoh, but unless you plan ahead and save crops from the years of plenty, Egypt will not survive.
Pharaoh will not like that meeting.
Can we find anyone else like this man, so obviously filled with the Spirit of God?
As your God told these things to you, Joseph, I can think of no one wiser to appoint as manager. You will oversee the harvests and set aside crops for the years of famine. You will be my governor, second in Egypt only to me.
All must obey you.